At last, the honey badger stops. It looks once more, then begins to back away. Not because it has lost its courage, but because love has changed the balance of this fight. What one bird could not survive alone, two hearts have endured together. In the fading light, one secretary bird remains standing guard, while the other struggles to recover behind it. The snake no longer matters. The fight no longer matters. What matters now is simple. One refused to abandon the one it loved. The danger has passed, but the pain remains. One bird is wounded, weakened, and still trembling from the fight. The other turns away only for one reason: to return with life in its beak. This is no longer just survival. This is devotion. It hunts again, not for itself, but for the one waiting behind. Every step, every strike, every effort now carries a different meaning. This is what love looks like in the wild. Not words, not promises, but action. The food is placed gently within reach. The injured bird begins to eat. Strength returns little by little. And in that quiet moment, after dust, fear, and near loss, love becomes visible. Not as an idea, but as something real enough to keep another life alive.